Have you ever felt like your career is stuck or stagnant? Do you find yourself questioning if law was the right path after all those years of study and rigorous dedication? Well, you're not alone. Many lawyers find themselves at crossroads, looking for a way to reignite their passion or even considering alternative careers. Today, we are going to dive into how you can transform your stalled legal career and explore some fascinating alternative career paths for lawyers in India. Together, let's take this journey to learn how you can reshape your future in law. So, let's get moving with this video. In this video, we'll discuss 1. The signs that your legal career might be stalling. 2. Practical steps to reignite your passion for law. 3. Exciting and unconventional alternative careers for law. 4. Real life examples and case laws to illustrate these points. 5. Commentary from judges and legal experts to provide deeper insights. So please stay tuned whether you're a student, just inquisitive, or trying to make a change in your legal profession. This will be a really informative session, and I request you to watch the entire video, which will give you a fair idea how you can ignite your passion to be a lawyer. First, let's identify some signs that your legal career might be stalling. You might feel a lack of motivation, find your work monotonous, or feel like there's no room for growth. Maybe you're constantly stressed, leading to a burnout, or you simply feel unfulfilled despite having a stable job. A notable case law highlights that career dissatisfaction is in a Supreme Court judgment in the case R.K. Anand versus Registrar, Delhi High Court in 2009. Here we see how ethical lapses can stem from dissatisfaction and pressure, ultimately leading to severe consequences for the lawyer involved. It's a reminder that personal fulfillment in your career is crucial for maintaining professional integrity. Now, let's discuss something of specialization in a niche area. Sometimes, a change in focus can rekindle your interest. Consider specializing in emerging fields like cyber law, environmental law, or intellectual property rights. For example, the field of cyber law has gained prominence with cases like Shreya Singhal versus Union of India. It would happen in 2015, which dealt with the constitutionality of Section 66A of the IT Act. The court held that Section 66A of the IT Act was vague and arbitrary and finally struck down the Section 66A. Second, continued education. Pursuing further studies or certifications can open new doors. For instance, enrolling in courses related to arbitration or international law can broaden your horizons. 3. Mentorship and networking. Engage with mentors and join legal network or bar associations. Networking can provide new perspectives and opportunities that you might not have considered before. 4. Pro bono work. Taking on pro bono cases can provide a sense of purpose and fulfillment. The landmark case of Vishaga versus State of Rajasthan that happened in 1997, driven by passionate lawyers fighting for women's rights, showed the profound impact of such work. If you're considering stepping away from the traditional legal practice, there are plenty of exciting avenues to explore. 1. Legal consultancy. offering your expertise to businesses can be lucrative. Legal consultants play a vital role in guiding companies through regulatory compliance and risk management. 2. Academia and teaching. If you have a passion for teaching, consider a career in academia. Sharing your knowledge with the next generation of lawyers can be incredibly rewarding. 3. Legal writing and journalism. If you enjoy writing, legal journalism or content creation might be for you. You can write for legal publications, create educational content, or even start a blog. Well, to tell you the truth, starting this channel helped me to learn a lot compared to what I have learned anywhere else. 4. Corporate roles. Many companies seek legal professionals for in-house counsels roles. This can offer a stable job with good work-life balance. The importance of corporate lawyers is highlighted in the case of Tata Motors Limited versus State of West Bengal. This happened in 2011, which involved complex corporate and regulatory issues. 5. Public policy and government roles. Lawyers are often well suited for roles in public policy, helping to shape laws and regulations. 6. Non-governmental organizations, or NGOs in short. Working with an NGO can be fulfilling if you are passionate about social causes. The case of Indian Council for Enviro Legal Action versus Union of India. It was in 1996. The case highlights the crucial role lawyers play in environmental advocacy. 7. Blockchain and cryptocurrency law and regulations. With the rise of digital currencies, lawyers can specialize in blockchain and cryptocurrency regulations, including taxation. This field is evolving rapidly and expertise here is in high demand. Though specific landmark cases in India are still emerging, the regulatory landscape is being shaped by various government directives and evolving legal frameworks. 8. Advertising and technology law. This includes areas like false advertising, gaming, apps, and intellectual property. This field is especially relevant with the widespread use of new technologies. Cases like Hindustan Lever Limited versus Reckitt Benckiser India Limited. This was a case in 2014 which dealt with issues of misleading advertisements, and it shows the importance of expertise in this area. 9. Medical law and ethics. As medical technology advances, including AI, this field offers a unique intersection of law and healthcare. Ethical and legal questions are prominent here through landmark cases specific to AI, which are still developing. Number 10 is technology law specific to large language models. With the proliferation of AI and large language models, lawyers can help shape the legal framework surrounding their use and implementation. This includes what is legally permissible as law adapts to these new technologies. The field is relatively new, so staying abreast of global legal trends and regulations is crucial. 11. Legal research. Law graduates can work as legal researchers for law firms, legal research organizations, think tanks, or government agencies. They conduct legal research, analyze laws and regulations, and provide insights on matters. This role is critical for informing policy and legal decisions. Number 12, legal compliance. Law graduates can work in the compliance departments of companies, ensuring that organization complies with all applicable laws and regulations. They can help develop compliance programs, conduct audits, and provide legal guidance to the organizations. An example is the role played in ensuring adherence to Prevention of Money Laundering Act. It's called PMLA in short. That was released in 2002. The 13th is human resource. Law graduates can work in the human resource departments of companies, where the legal knowledge can be valuable in areas such as employment law, labor relations, compliance, and policy development. This includes navigating laws related to workplace harassment, as seen in the Vishaga case versus State of Rajasthan that took place in 1997, which established guidelines for dealing with sexual harassment in the workplace. Justice V.R. Krishna Iyer, a former Supreme Court judge, often emphasized the need for lawyers to find passion in their work. He once said, "A lawyer without history or literature is like a mechanic, a mere working mason. If he possesses some knowledge of these, he may venture to call himself an architect." This quote underlines the importance of a well-rounded career in law, enriched with varied experiences. Justice Chandra Choud, another esteemed judge, has frequently spoken about evolving nature of law and the need for continuous learning. His judgments often reflect the dynamic and adaptive nature of the legal profession. In conclusion, if you feel your legal career is stalling, remember that there are numerous ways to reignite your passion. Specialize in a niche area, pursue further education, engage in pro bono work, and network with peers. If you're considering alternative careers, explore roles in legal consultancy, academia, corporate positions, public policy, or NGOs. The legal field is vast, and your skills are valuable in many contexts. So, don't let a stalled career dampen your spirits. Use it as an opportunity to explore new horizons and find fulfillment in your professional journey. Whether you choose to stay within traditional practice or venture into alternative careers, the possibilities are endless. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this session has been enlightening and have provided you with the insights you need to transform your legal career. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to reach out. Until the next time, keep exploring, stay passionate about the law.